In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Google Remote Desktop app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Now, as you can see, I have here my Remote Desktop app that I normally use to access my desktop, and I'd like to update it to the latest version. Now, by updating your app to the latest version, you'll be able to fix any security issues, and also you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. Also, by updating it, you'll also be able to fix bugs that are associated with the older version of your app. Now, to do this, it is quite simple. If you are using an Android smartphone, all you need to do is to go ahead and look for your app through Google Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, go ahead and look for App Store. So I'll head to my Google Play Store and search for my app. And my app is here, so I'll tap on it. Now to update your app, go ahead and look for this option called update. As you can see, I'm currently missing that because I already have an up-to-date version of Chrome Remote Desktop app. For your case, if you can see an update here, go ahead and update it, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of this app and install it on your smartphone. Once you're done, now you can proceed and tap on open and start using your app without any problem. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.